Hi, in front of me I have new Balance RunIQ, and I'm gonna show you how to change the date and time settings on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. You can do it by tapping on the screen or pressing the middle button. After that, swipe left on the screen to open the menu, then tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down, find the option called date and time, and tap on it. And here we have two options: automatic date and time and automatic time zone. To change the date and time settings manually, we need to turn off the automatic date and time, so let's tap on this option, scroll down and select off. Then go back, and once you go back, you should see the set date and set time options. Let's tap on set date first. And here we can change the date by swiping up and down on the screen to set the month. And once you're done, swipe left to go to the days. And again, you can swipe up and down to change the day. Then swipe left to go to the years. And you can change the year by swiping up and down. Once you're done, swipe once and again left. You should see this arrow. Tap on it to confirm, like this. Now let's scroll down and tap on set time. And the time works basically the same. We can set the hour by swiping up and down, then swipe left, change the minutes, and then swipe left and tap on the arrow to confirm. You can also change the time zone. To do it, tap on automatic time zone, disable it by tapping on off, and now you can tap on set time zone, and here you can select the time zone you like to use. For example, Mexico City, like this. And at the bottom you should see the use 24-hour format, and you can check this option or uncheck it. Basically, if you check it, you will have the 24-hour format, and if you uncheck it, you will have the 12-hour format. And once you're done, you can press the middle button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the date and time settings on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.